and welcome to my channel. I hope you're having a fabulous day. I have a swap that I have received from Anna Rodriguez, who is My Crafting World here on YouTube, and we participated in a swap that I hosted in the Loaded Envelope Galore and More Facebook group, and I will link it in the description box below. And we created the explosion box that I did a tutorial on a while back, and I'll link it as well. And I do need to apologize to Anna. I have had this for a while, and I am just now getting to posting everything. I've been getting ready for company last weekend, and then had some more company arrive yesterday, and they'll be here till Sunday. So I'm just squeezing this video in because I feel terrible that I'm just having a chance to get to it. And she used this beautiful Mente paper, and I cannot think of the name of it. It is a beautiful, stunning collection, and look at that beautiful wreath on the top. And I'm not sure what she's done here. I've never seen gems like that, but it has that blue around the gem. It's very, very pretty, and she has the little gems in the center, and this gorgeous bow at the top, and this beautiful vine with some more of those really pretty blingy pieces. And this paper is just gorgeous. You do not need to do hardly any decorating. It just stands alone. And I love the doors and the architecture, as I've said before, in the Mente papers. And then it's just a beautiful scene. Just love to be there. And the beautiful wreath. And then another door with the tree and the little birds. It's absolutely stunning. And since it is an explosion box, you're going to pop it open like so. And she has used this gorgeous butterfly paper on the inside, and she has a bow and a flower on each one of the boxes. I'll just tilt that down so you can see. And then in the center here, you pull this back like so and open it, and she has a little flower here, so it looks like I can decide where I want to put that. And then it closes down like that. And these are drawers, so I'm just going to go like this, and whoops, my whole scene's moving here. So we'll just do this one at a time. Oh, and she has some of these beautiful felt flowers. So pretty. These are gorgeous. I wonder if she made those herself. Those are perfect. I'll lay those to the side. And then we'll just turn it around here, and I'll do one at a time. Oh, and she gifted me some of these gorgeous bows. Look at those. Oh my goodness. Those are stunning. I love this die and how she's added these little blingy pieces down at the bottom. Those are gorgeous. And then she has two smaller ones. And it looks like she's added some stickles or glitter to these. Whoops, I'm not in frame. I'm so sorry. Look how beautiful those are. Oh, wow. And we'll do this one. Whoops. Oh, and look at that trim. That is so pretty with the bling on there. Very nice. It's so soft. Let's see here. I can't remember. Oh, and look at this die. That is stunning. Thank you so much, Anna. I've not seen that. That is so cool. I love that. Very pretty. Okay, and then let me just put this aside. Oh, and I forgot to show on the inside. Look at how pretty that paper is. Go back around here. And it looks like she's used the same on the inside of them. Let me see. Yeah. Oh, no, this one she used. This is a great way to use up your cut-aparts on the drawers. So she has that, which I would have done exactly the same thing. And then this one again. Just absolutely beautiful work. She does the neatest work, and I will make sure to link her channel in the description box. She has Spoil Me Rotten, so let's see here. I don't know what's in everything. Everything came packaged so pretty, and she had these little foam hearts in there, so I'm definitely going to be saving those. My phone quit filming, so I'll need to redo this part. She sent this beautiful die. I love that rickrack and the scalloped. So pretty. And she has this gorgeous card that's like origami, as you can see, in all kinds of layers. She had and it lifts up like that with a really sweet note. So thank you so much, Anna. It was a pleasure swapping with you. And I do believe this was our first time getting to swap together. And she sent me this beautiful bling with pearls. And I sent her the same thing in pink, because I know she said that we were very similar. So we had, I think we had must have sent some things that were similar to one another, to each other. And look at those really pretty pearls. I love those. So pretty and fun. This really sturdy box, and it says thanks on the top. You open it. Oh, look at that beautiful pokey tool. Thank you so much. And look at her beadwork. I struggle with that, and hers is absolutely perfect. And look at these gorgeous beads. Of course, I love that pink sparkly at the top. It's perfect. So pretty. And we sent each other pokey tools, which I think is so funny. So I think all of us crafters will probably start getting a collection of pokey tools, but they're so fun to make, and it's just a nice something extra. We'll have different pokey tools for each day of the week. Thank you so much, Miss Anna. It was a pleasure swapping with you, and thank you so much for participating in the group. Thanks for watching, and have a great day. Bye-bye.